Good day, everyone. I am Janea Arami from BSC3 Blackwood, and I will be your reporter for today. I will discuss to you the parts and the functions of the cell. But before that, I will discuss to you first what is cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. They provide the structures for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized function. Cells also contain the body's heredity materials and can make copies of themselves. And also, cells have many parts, each with a different function. Some of these parts, called organelles, are special structures that perform certain tasks within the cell. Human cells contain the following major cells. And now, let us move on. The parts and the functions of the cell. First, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is made up of a jelly-like fluid called the cytosol and other structures that surround the nucleus, and also provide a track-like system that directs the movement of organelles and other substances within cells. There are three components of cytoplasm: cytosol, organelles, and cytoplasmic. Cytosol is the part of the cytoplasm that is not occupied by any organelle. Organelles that are membrane bound. They are present inside the cell and perform specific functions that are necessary for the survival of the cell. Cytoplasmic inclusion consists of different types of insoluble particles or molecules that remain suspended in the cytosol. The next part is the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is a network of long fibers that make up the cell's structural framework. The cytoskeleton has several critical functions, including determining cell shape, participating in cell division, and allowing cells to move. Third part is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum also transports these molecules to their specific destination, either inside or outside the cell. And also, these organelles help process and molecules created by the cell.
The next part is Golgi Apparatus. Golgi Apparatus packages molecules produced by the endoplasmic reticulum to be transported out of the cell. And also, they have their own genetic material separate from the DNA, the nucleus, and can make copies of themselves. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are complex organelles that convert energy from food into a form that the cell can use. Then, nucleus. Nucleus serves as the cell's command center, sending direction to the cell to grow, mature, divide, or die. It also houses DNA, the cell's heredity material. The nucleus is surrounded by a membrane called the nuclear envelope, which particles the DNA and separate the nucleus from the rest of the cell. Next, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outer lining of the cell. It is also separate the cell from its environment and allows materials to enter and leave the cell. Lastly, ribosomes. Ribosomes are organelles that process the cell's genetic instructions to create proteins. These organelles also can float freely in the cytoplasm or be connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and keep safe always. Again, I am Janea Aramay Simo Maradlo from BSE 1. Keep safe.